come back in the kitchen one more time with Chef Ricardo cooking program. We are not in the kitchen, we are outside in the back garden. Today we're gonna show you how we can do yourself a nice, lovely Jamaican jerk chicken at home with the spices. You name it and you can claim it. Remember, jerk chicken is the #1 dish worldwide, international. Everyone loves jerk chicken. Remember, you also can get a copy of the Chef Ricardo cooking book. Remember, the Christmas recipe, rum fruit cake is inside of it. Make sure you get a copy. Today, we show you how to make a Jamaican jerk chicken in your back garden, and also you can serve with anything you like. Plain rice, rice and peas, you name it. Fried dumpling festival. So eat of a big variety of things which you really like to have with it, guys. You can have it with some salad, whatever you like. You can have the Jamaican jerk chicken recipe with it. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipes for you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Guys, I love it. Basically what you need to do, you need to make sure your coal start to burn before you burn out a little bit, guys, before you start to put on your jerk chicken. Make sure you marinate the jerk chicken for a nice good 48 hours, well soaked and ready for the grill. So basically this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with some chicken. And that's all the chicken right there. Leave it for a nice good 20 minutes until you see it start to flame up. I did start to turn them over because one of them even started to get burned on. You know what I mean? I don't want my chicken to get burned up. So I did spin it over a little bit earlier. But as you can see, the way all the chicken is just cooking on the grill, and we're gonna just continue spin the chicken just like this until it cooks, guys. Beautiful and nice. And this is the way how you do Jamaican jerk chicken on the grill. Marinate the chicken, leave the skin on it, and burn off the skin. You don't need to eat the skin when you're gonna eat the skin. When you wanna reach to that part, you can remove the skin and eat your meat. But this is the best way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply lock the grill like this and leave it for a couple minutes. Just continue, stir the chicken over and over until it cooks. You're gonna take roughly a nice good 45 to 30 to 45 minutes to cook, because there's a lot, roughly 5 kilos of chicken pieces, looking lovely on the grill. So guys, enjoy the recipe, and as I said, the best way to do Jamaican jerk chicken is like this. It's so lovely and nice. As I can see, all the chicken looking so lovely, guys. So basically, we are trying to force the rain. As I can see, the sky is a little bit look like the rain wanna come down. If not the rain come down, we can always take it off the barbecue and put it straight inside of the oven. Finish it off in the oven because it already have that smoke flavor inside of it. So as you can see, oh, it looking so fantastic and just beautiful and nice. So guys, hopefully you will like it, and leave your comments, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Jerk chicken on the grill, barbecue up, anything. This is the way all you can normally do this at home, guys. So this is just lovely and nice. Hopefully you will just love it. We are trying to force in the rain by finishing up this lovely chicken today. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So right now, guys, as you can see, the jerk chicken is finished, looking lovely and nice on the barbecue grill. You can serve it with anything you like. You're gonna serve it with bread, rice and peas, or if you want to serve it with some plain rice, coconut rice, whatever you like. And this is the way how you do Jamaican jerk chicken on the barbecue grill on the outside. Looking lovely and fantastic. So as you can see, really nice and lovely. Jamaican jerk chicken. Enjoy the recipe and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye bye.